What's up, guys? It's your boy Buddy Love, man. What we're gonna be doing for you guys is another banging t-shirt tutorial. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe and hit that thumbs up for support and showing love to the channel. So let's jump right into it. Today what we're gonna be doing is my very own business logo. For you guys that do not know what I do on the side other than YouTube, I do media content as well as media for red carpet events, especially movie screenings, special events, so on and so forth. And I also do photography. So what I did was created my own logo concept, and I went to put my logo concept on my shirt. And I thought, well, it'd be a great YouTube to go ahead and show you guys on YouTube how this whole process goes. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. Let's get it. All right. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be making sure that the logo is the right size for the t-shirt. So we're going to go ahead and push this down to just depending on your body size. I'm 6'2", about 230. So I'm going to put this to around 8 and 9 inches. Just because that's the size I wanted. So I'm going to go ahead and just push it down to 9. 9 is, well, 8 is got. 8 is a good size. And I'm just going to center this. What I'm going to do is flip this horizontally. Boom. Simple as that. Then I'm going to go ahead and do the trace. So grab my trace tool, trace it, hit trace. Actually, I'm gonna turn this up, turn the threshold up to 65, just because I got these small texts right up in here and these dots. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna go ahead and trace it. Now I can just simply slide my image out, and I can go ahead and start setting it up to get ready to push it to the press. It's not connected, so I'm gonna just go ahead and turn it on. So now that it's on, heat transfer smooth. I set my own settings, so I always put the blade at 1 for my final cuts, and the speed is between 6 and 8, but you can put it all the way up to 10 if you want to. If you just want a quick job, if you want a safe job, you want to kind of keep it at 6, 7, or 8, and then I make my thickness 11. I don't do a double pass, no need for that, because we're not cutting on cardboard or nothing like that. All right, so now that it's ready to connect, let's go ahead and jump. Put it on the cutter and get it cut up. So let's get it. Alright, now I'm about to go ahead and load the vinyl. Alright. Now what I'm gonna do is just get rid of this access area, so I can save it for straps for later. So let's go ahead and just do that real quick. Now we can go ahead and do the weeding process. Alright guys, there you have it. It sounds like my press is ready to start pressing. So let's get it. Alright, so what I'm doing right now is making sure that the shirt is nice and centered. Sometimes it has a center line, and sometimes the center line that it comes with is off. So just make sure that it's centered so you can be good to go. Alright, so now we got a good center point. That first center point I had didn't even look right to me. So now we're just gonna go 3 inches from here. So we're just gonna do this. That's gonna be my point. Go ahead and fold this. Make sure you fold it. So you can get a nice image. Alright, once you get it there, you just pull it up a little bit. It looks good, right? Alright, so now we're just gonna go ahead and press that sucker. Alright, here we go. It's a hot peel. Bam. That looks marvelous. Marvelous. That looks marvelous. That's what it looks like. It looks good. If you like it, I love it. I love it. So let's go ahead and put this shirt on. This is what it looks like. I love it. It looks good. Just gotta get a better look at it. Yeah, they boy official. So now when I show up on the scene, they know what time it is. I ain't gotta give out my card. You can just take a picture of me. There you have it, guys. It's been real. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Hit that thumbs up to support this channel. It's your boy Buddy Love with another t-shirt tutorial. I'm out. Peace.